Hello everyone. Now I'm going to present the Youth Development Creation of How to Be Creative, Module 5, the Alternative Uses Test. When it comes to the learning objectives of this module, it would be able to teach the participants about the divergent thinking, in addition to their capability of generalization of lots of ideas. In addition to developing creativity and be able to think out of the box. The materials needed for this training: a ping pong ball, a plank of wood, a paper clip, papers, and finally pens. Moving to the description of this module. The first step would be that you would divide the whole group into smaller teams depending on the number of the participants. Maybe each team will include from 4 to 5 participants. After that, moving to step 2. Step 2. You will give each group 2 different objects and ask them that they have 30 minutes to think as many possible uses for each object beyond its regular use. When they finish, each team will present their ideas within 10 minutes. Moving to step 3. First, you will score the result of the test based on, firstly, the number of uses generated for each object per group. Then, you can then rate each use in terms of how well it performs or how valuable uses are. For the debriefing, those questions should be generated by the participants. They should have the answers of them now. For example, what kind of difficulties did you face during the process? Was it difficult to imagine as many different uses as possible for each object? Youth Development Creation, How to Be Creative, is funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency. Neither the European Union or the EACEA can be held responsible for them. Thank you.